There are too many codes from voguing, too many parts of the body doing specific movements with different sensations, qualities, and rhythms. And with these videos, we are going to learn from the beginning for beginners. Hola amigos, amigas, amigues, yo soy Abismal. Thank you for being here with me in these beginners Vogue classes and welcome to everyone. First of everything, we are going to start understanding the different types of voguing. The first one is Old Way Vogue, then we have New Way Vogue, and the last one, the most famous, Vogue Film. Let's start from the beginning. Old Way Vogue. The Old Way Vogue essence is posing, and with the years, the evolution of Old Way Vogue bring more creativity, and with that, other 5 elements such as arms control, dog walking, floor performance, catwalking, and spin and dip. So let's start with arms control. Arms control is super important because if we master this element, our posing is going to be awesome. Beyond, actually. Why? One of the most important things when we pose are the arms, and we need to understand how to use them. Lines, meeting points, and face framing are geometrical shapes that helps for our performance. And if we see the models, they use the arms every time. Remember, the posing that we found in Vogue magazines are the essence of voguing. So let's start with lines. In other levels, we can go deeper. So remember, the other levels are available for subscribers. Only for subscribers. So we can start understanding 5 elemental lines. The basic lines are forward, inside, up, us, and here, in the side of the body. Then we have the 5 line. The 5th line is here, in the diagonal. So we have forward, in the side, up, down, and we have the last one here. So try to learn these basic lines, and then you can start to play with these lines in different order, like here, 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 or then you can switch here and then come back here as you want, and you are going to practice every 4 counts, which means 1, 2, 3, pose, 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 1, 2, 3, pose. It's very important if you start to see this type of rotation of the arm and the shoulder, because it's different the line here than here, or here than here. So you are going to be conscious about it, and you are going to control that. We need to be very precise in the movement when we are doing Old Way Vogue. So you are going to practice every 4 counts, controlling that, and then you can switch and do it every 2 counts, which means 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now you are going to practice with the other arm every 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Every 2 counts. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and the last one, if you feel free and comfortable, every one count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, or faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and you can change the arm. The last exercise is, you are going to do it again every 4 counts or 2 counts or 1 count if you feel comfortable with that, with the movements faster, and you are going to do it with both arms. Could be at the same time, or you can switch one by one. For example, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, or you can switch one by one, one by one, one by one, one by one, tap, tap, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, or faster. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Let's try it for a minute, just with one arm, every 4 counts, then every 2 counts, and then every count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Every 2 counts. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now every 1 count. Now repeat it with the other arm. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now every 2 counts. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And finally, every 1 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and. The last exercise, you are going to do it again with both arms. Could be at the same time in same direction, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Every 2 counts. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Or every count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you can do it one by one. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Or it could be every 1 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if you saw, I switch the exercise, doing it at the same time or mixing between one by one and both in the same direction. If you feel ready, you can do it again, but you can try moving in first forward and do the exercise. Tap, tap. The most important thing is do it, try to do it, but with your movements very precise. The lines needs to be clean and precise every time. Tap, tap, tap. You can do it faster. Tap, tap, tap. You can go side to side. You can go backward. Or you can go in circles. The most important thing are the arms. One advice very important is if you feel that this all information is too much for your brain, you need to help your brain. So just work with your arms and then you can start playing with the legs, like moving a little bit, walking around your room. But the most important thing in this lesson is working with your arms and being precise and clean. That's it. And that is very important. It's not less work. It's a huge thing, actually. So go for it. If you want more music to train your old way for your own, you have one playlist in my Abismal YouTube channel, and the playlist name is Old Way Vogue session. You can go there, you can find music, and if you want me to see you doing the exercises, you can tag me on your Instagram stories, and my Instagram is Abismal, and I want to see you doing these exercises, so tag me and I can give you my advices and all that stuff. So let's continue. Remember that you can go slower or faster with your arms, and you can go slow or faster with your legs, doing little steps, just for practice, just for fun. So play the music that you want, disco music, funky music, house music and practice. Thank you guys for being here in this first beginners Old Way classes. Please practice as much as you can. In Old Way, the arms are very, very important in all levels and in the all 5 elements we move our arms. So practice as much as you can. This beginners level has this exploration in the other levels just available for the subscribers, has other explorations, so I hope you be there. Yeah. In the next video, we are going to explore catwalking and some variations, classical ones and other variations. So I hope you be there. And that's it. I'm Abismal. Thank you for being here, and a lot of kisses and hugs. See you in the next lesson. And that's it. Bye bye. Mwah.